The first technique to join data across systems is brilliant because we're going to do it inside your PC, where the only person on your PC is you. And this will seem very simple in the beginning, but as we move forward, you'll see how brilliant and sophisticated it is. I've got an answer set on Oracle. As you can see, I ran a query. Now I'm going to do one on Snowflake, and I'll have two different answer sets. There's going to be our second one, and that is on Snowflake. So now that I've ran two queries, one on Oracle, one on Snowflake, I'm going to be able to go to the Garden of Analytics, where it saves all answer sets you've had for the day. And there's result 2 and 3, one from Oracle, one from Snowflake. And I go, hey, I want to join those answer sets. And they go, okay, result 2 and result 3. And you go, yeah, right here inside my PC. So this is a big philosophy. We almost turn your PC into a data warehouse. And now we say create. We have just joined Oracle and Snowflake very simply. Now, secondly, you'll see this, it'll seem simple at first, and then later on you'll, oh, that's really sophisticated. I'm going to save my Oracle answer set. I'll call it Oracle 1 as an Excel spreadsheet inside my PC. I'll do the same thing for the Snowflake answer set and save it as Excel on my PC. Now that I've done that, I'm going to use the super join builder. A lot of people join Excel by hand. We're going to do it more sophisticated. I go import Excel, and let's import the Oracle Excel first. And now there's our Oracle visually. And now I'll do the same thing with Snowflake. Just point, click, bring in the Excel spreadsheets. And then you say, hey, here's how these answer sets join. Subscriber number, member number, hitting the blue arrow. Now I say finish. You pick the columns you want. Nexus will build the SQL for those Excel spreadsheets and query them and join them. When I hit execute, that SQL will run and we will join these answer sets using Excel, but we did it through the super join builder. Now, we're going to do a search globally. There's my normal trees, all my systems. When I hit subscriber number in the search bar, it shows me every place that subscriber number exists in every table, but it's a live tree. I right-clicked on the addresses table and said, hey, I would like to see that in the super join builder. There were my other systems. Here's Teradata. All I need to do is drag in the subscribers table from Teradata, touch the Snowflake table, and say how they join. And now, once again, I just pick the columns I want to see on the report. The SQL is built, and now I've done it through my search tree, which is done enterprise-wide. Now, I'm going to use high-speed utilities and change the hub. Now watch this. We ran this originally on Snowflake. I changed the hub to Teradata. They've got 20 different high-speed utilities. And now it's going to move the Snowflake table over to Teradata using the high-speed utilities, and it joined it on the Teradata system. Watch very carefully, because I'm going to change the hub to my PC. This will be extremely clever. It's going to take both tables, bring it back to the PC, and join it right there. That's what's so brilliant is I'm the only one using my PC. So we bring everything back and my PC joins it. Now we're going to drag an answer set to another system. Watch this. I just queried an Oracle, got an Oracle answer set. I want to join it to a Snowflake table. I'm going to drag that result over to Snowflake in the SQL class schema in the Nexus database, and it's called AA My Table. Nexus is moving the answer set over to Snowflake, creating a table, converting the DDL, and now it's right there on Snowflake. Now that it's on Snowflake, I can just write the SQL, and I'm going to actually do something you've probably never seen. It's called a natural inner join. Snowflake supports this. I want to join the AA My Table subscribers table that I had on Oracle that I moved over. I'll do a natural inner join of claims. It'll look for like columns and join it on that. And now there's my 2,000 rows of claims of subscribers doing a natural inner join by dragging the answer set over. Now I'm going to build a complex join let's do it on SQL Server. Watch this. Because it's SQL Server, the super join builder will build this using TSQL. It knows how to do it on every system. And it'll show me what joins in the menu. When I choose those 4 tables, I just pick the columns I want on the report. Nexus builds the SQL for me very quickly. And now this has all been done in SQL Server language, TSQL. Now I'm going to go to another system. Anyone here? Let's go to Yellow Brick. Beautiful data warehouse. It's a Postgres-based system. I just open the Yellow Brick tree, see all my tables. I come and say, let's go with lat long. All I do is drag it and touch over there. And now I say they join on state and state. Now that Nexus knows, it's going to allow me to pick the columns I want. It adds it to the report, latitude and longitude. And now I hit execute. The Yellow Brick tables actually moved over to SQL Server where it runs right there. And there is the report. Now I'm going to save that federated query. And I can share it and bring it back. I hit save join. I give it a name. I can share this with everybody in the organization. Or I can now keep this and run it from a command line. Or I'll bring it back. So now that this is saved, watch this. Let's just pretend we've started the day. I come in, I go, I want to go to the super join builder. I load a join. SQL Server and Yellow Brick, the one I just had, brings it right back visually. I can make changes or I can execute it right here and now. And that's what I'm going to do. I just say execute and bingo, it runs it and executes it because I saved it. Now look at this technique. We're going to do a 20 table join from 20 different systems, all right here. Every one of those systems. To prove this brilliance, we're going to join across all 20 of them. You'll look at the icons. There's Snowflake. There is BigQuery. There's Azure. There's Yellow Brick. Every one of those. We build it. I've even got an Excel spreadsheet in there. SQL's built. It's going to run on Snowflake. Now, every foreign table from all the systems is converted to Snowflake. We use Snowflake load utilities. It's moving the data right now over to Snowflake, and then this SQL will run. That's the brilliance of doing this where I want it on any system. I chose Snowflake. It put everything in uppercase because that's Snowflake. It ran Snowflake SQL. There is the answer set right there. However, use a free system if you want, like MySQL. All I do is change the hub over there from Snowflake to MySQL. And now I will use a wide variety of load utilities. I can pick any one I want. And now when I run this, notice here, it's converting everything to MySQL. The SQL is going to change. There it goes to lowercase. That's MySQL SQL. And now when I execute this SQL, all of those tables will move to MySQL. It's free stuff over there. Everything's moving in real time. Look how fast that is. These MySQL systems are quick with their load utilities. And now this will run. It'll give me the same report I had last time, but this was run on MySQL. Now I'm going to join production tables with Excel. We saw this a little earlier, but watch this. I've got an actual Postgres table called addresses right there. I'm joining that with 19 Excel spreadsheets. I just dragged them in one at a time, said how they join. Now I can save this, and the SQL's built for me. And when I run this, it's going to actually run this on the Postgres system. I could have used my PC. You can run it anywhere. And now it's bringing in all 19 Excel spreadsheets and joining them. And there is the answer set. Hey, here's the best technique. Give me a call at 513-300-0341. I'm Tom Coughing, CEO of Coughing data warehousing.